Hello YouTubers, this is Ganesh Palkar and welcome to my YouTube channel Made in Pune. Today on 1st May we will be going to Ratnagiri. Actually, this is the kind of reverse vlog. I am already in Ratnagiri, I am already sitting on a beach. The intro part I am recording right now, and the video footages that you will be watching after this intro, those footages would be from today morning, the ride from Pune to Ratnagiri. I will not be doing this ride solo. My friend Jitu will be accompanying me from Karad onwards, and so this is about today's ride. I am doing this ride to cover maximum distance in one day. So my today's one-way ride is like 310 or 320 kilometers. So my whole day ride would be 650 kilometers. The second thing is very more like a surprise thing, which I have already done that thing, but you will see that thing in this vlog later. Yeah, so mostly that is the intro part of this vlog, and I'll end the intro, and all I want to say is enjoy the ride, enjoy the route. So right now I am leaving for Ratnagiri. So I have waited here in Katraj Ghat to just wear this awesome glasses. Yeah, now it's cool, yo. Now let's enjoy the route and enjoy the ride. If you've seen my previous videos, you will notice that the road in Katraj Ghat was in very bad shape, but they have done the road work in previous days, and now you can see the roads are pretty smooth, and I am really enjoying my ride on this buttery smooth road. Yeah, the roads are very good. So initially today I was not aware that these roads are they have tarmacked it again, so I was not really having any idea about this, but then in my mind I just think that let's take a chance, because the route that we are traveling right now is little bit shorter than the bypass way. So I have decided to take this route, and you know what we have got. We have got the very buttery smooth road. Yeah. And one more thing I wanted to share with you, that you guys would have noticed that I have changed exhaust of my bike. I have put the stock exhaust again, the exhaust which provided by Royal Enfield. Yeah, lots of reasons behind that. Yeah, we'll share those reasons in some other video. It's not good to discuss all those things in this video right now. So just enjoy the ride, guys.